Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. Hello dear friends, welcome back to our FTech channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to back up your WhatsApp application on Android phone. So guys, this is really useful process. So before starting this process, I will ask you something. Please subscribe my channel and also keep the like that video. So let's start. So first of all, you will have to open your WhatsApp application. Wait a few seconds. And guys, one more thing. First of all, you will have to make sure your phone internet connection, and after that, just you can see three dot line here. Just click on it, and after clicking, just go to the setting option. Then guys, wait a few seconds. Then guys, there you can see shape option. Just click on it, and after that, just click on the shape backup option. So guys, after clicking, then only be sure disconnect interface. So wait a few seconds. Then guys, there you can see include video option. Just enable it, then just click on there. You can see now selected Google now selected Google Gmail address. So just click on it, Google option, then just click your Gmail address. So wait a few seconds, and guys, after that, just click allow option. Then guys, there you can see then now will show under the now will show my Gmail address. So after giving your Gmail, then just click backup to Google Drive option. Then there you can see you can backup daily, weekly, and monthly. So I just backup my daily, so that's why I click daily option. Then after doing that, just there you can see backup option. Just click on it and wait a few seconds, and just wait guys, wait a few seconds guys. So guys, there you can see backup is starting. So I in here just I have to wait a few minutes because my network is just so low, that's why. Guys, here you can see my backup is starting. So in here you have to wait a few minutes for backupping your data. Guys, wait a few minutes. Actually my network is so low, that's why I can't show clearly, I can't show fast. So wait a few minutes. So guys, there you can see backup is completed. Now I would like to uninstall the WhatsApp application. So let me show you. Just get back from here, then just uninstall WhatsApp application. Then after uninstalling the WhatsApp application, then just you have to download again the WhatsApp application. So for downloading the WhatsApp application, just open your Play Store. Oh, wait a few seconds guys. Then guys, here you can see search box. Just click on the search box, WhatsApp application, and just you have to download again. So just wait. So guys, just wait. So guys, there you can see after downloading the WhatsApp application, then will be show this kind of interface. Just there you can see open icon, just click on it, then just click agree and continue option, and after that just you have to give your WhatsApp number. So guys, after giving your WhatsApp number, just click next option and wait a few seconds. Then guys, then will be show this kind of interface. So there you can see restore your message and media from your phone and Internet Studio. If you don't register now, you won't be able to register later. So there you can see as register and escape option. Just click register option and wait a few seconds. So guys, there you can see register is complete. Just click next option and give your name and give your profile name. Wait a few seconds. So guys, they can see never. Just click on never. So guys, there you can see by this process you can back up your WhatsApp application. So there you can see actually all kind of things will be back up. So there you can see all message will be back up. So guys, that's all. By this process you can back up your WhatsApp application. So guys, hope you like this video, and if you got helpful my channel video, please subscribe and share with your friend, and if you have any kind of problem then please let me, I will try to my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.